one in the back, one in the up. That's the girl. This is fire. I will drop this. Look, that's lucky girl. I'm going to jump on this. I'm not yet. You're right over there.
What are you doing, Ryan? What are you doing, Ryan?
I'm driving.
Okay, show me. You're driving the fire truck? Wow, I like it. What you doing? What you doing, Rohan? What you doing? What are you doing? Tell me, what are you doing, Rohan?
There's a red light. Ryan, there's a red light. Ryan, stop. Ryan, stop. There's a red light. Green light, check. Let's go.
Oh, you're driving a fire truck? Oh, wow. I like it. I like it, you guys. I like it, you guys.
Let's open the door.
You have a siren?
Mommy, look. This is a handlebar.
Okay.
Open it. Let's go. No. Let's go. I'll get you. Does it? Where's the fire? Wait, I forgot the fire extinguisher.
Okay. You going back in?
Yes, I
Okay.
forgot the fire extinguisher.
Okay.
Mommy, come in here. There's a lot of things. Let's come in here.
Okay, let me come.
Come in here.
Wow.
Let's come here. Come here. Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Oh, wow. I like it. I like your
This is the fire extinguisher.
I like your fire truck.
I'm going to open the door. Mommy.
Yeah.
Come here. I'm a firefighter.
You a firefighter? Okay.
Come up here. Mommy, come up.
Show me how you drive. Oh, wow. Wow, I like it. I like your fire truck.
Come up here, mommy.
Okay. Yeah.
You want to see
Rohan, give me a minute. I'll be there. Okay, I'll be right there. Don't play with the sand.
Come here. This is my steering wheel.
Really? Wow, I like it.
I can drive fast.
Yeah, I like it.
With the wheels, I'm going fast. I lick the wheels, and then I'm going fast.
Really?
Yeah,
Show me.
Okay.
Rohan, don't play with the sand. Don't play with the sand, Rohan. No. No. No, I'll take you home, okay?
Come on your eye. Mommy, there's all the gauges, and I'm going to get the fire.
Where is the hose?
Okay, this is the hose. It's got this. Let's pretend.
Let's pretend. Okay.
A hose.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let me go check what they are doing.
Mommy, this is a fire extinguisher. What's it say?
Fire extinguisher? Okay. Hey, there is a hose here. There's a hose right here.
Where?
Yeah, this is the hose.
Which?
Down there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And these are all the gauges.
Is that
Good observation, Rohan.
On the water. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Good observation.
This is fireman.
Good.
Let's go. Whoa, whoa, Mommy.
Okay, go back in. Go back in and drive. Go back in and drive.
Open the door. Boom. Let's go to the fire station. Let's go to the fire station. I'm not hungry for the fire. Mommy, I need to sleep. This is my bed. It's
Oh,
pretend bed.
Pretend bed?
It's pretend bed.
okay. But it's dirty. Don't sleep.
Mommy, can you drive this mud?
No, don't sleep. Just drive. See, I'm watching you drive. I want to watch you drive.
Sleep in my bed. This is mine.
Just drive. Don't sleep. It's dirty, Rohan.
I'm cleaning it. Now you down. Now you watch TV. Yes, watch TV. Yes. You watch TV.
Where is TV?
Yeah, it's pretend TV. That's the steering wheel.
That's a steering wheel. That's not a TV.
Let's pretend.
Okay, let's pretend.
Let's go back to bed.
Look here.
Let's go back to bed. I will sleep on you. Kick it, dude. Oh no, it's a fire. It's a fire. Yes. Wait. Yes, what? You make me dizzy. When I was
Here,
sleeping.
drink water.
Yes. I'm going to drink water first. Wait, I'm a wipey.
I don't have IP. It's in the
yeah.
car. Yeah.
I'm fire said I'm to drink
Okay,
water.
give it to me. Yeah, good boy.
I'm a
Good boy, good boy.
Bye, my mommy. There's a bug in here. Mommy.
Yeah.
Look, there's a bug.
Okay, let me give water to boy.
Mommy,
Good boy.
there's a bug. There's a bug.
Okay, then come out. Come out of there. Okay, Ryan, you good now. Thank you. Say thank you, mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
Give me the water. Let me drink some.
Look. Mommy, where the bug came from?
Where's the bug?
It was this seed.
Where?
It's here too. You didn't can see. Over there. See, be quiet. Over there.
It's there?
Yes.
I can't see.
Is that a deal? I see it.
Okay, I trust you. I believe you.
Thanks, Mommy. Mommy, this is a big rock. Mommy, talk to someone. It's my friend.
Hello. Hello. Is there any fire?
Yes.
Is there any fire?
Yeah.
Officer Rohan,
Yeah.
you wanna go kill the fire?
Yes.
Yeah?
But look at this is our little book.
Yeah. It's all the gauges right here, huh?
It's our elder cages. Like this switch, and like this switch over here. And this is pretend. Yeah.
This is pretend letter?
Mommy,
Okay.
what is this?
This is a bell. I don't know. I'm not sure. Come on, Ryan. Come on. Come on. Come on, let give other chance. Come. Come.
What is that light? That little red light. That red.
Come on, let give
Mommy,
others
what
chance.
is the red light? That red.
Where's red light?
That. I can see.
Oh, there. That's a street light. I don't know.
No, that red light. The red light.
I don't know what's that
the-
for. I don't know what's that for.
Ah,
Ryan, come down.
What is for? What is
Ryan,
for?
I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea.
That's the red light for the fire station.
Maybe I don't know.
Is that you see that?
Okay, let's go. We go that side. Come on, let's go that side.
Where?